Hello dear students, today we will learn division topic. Okay, so first we will learn some basic terms regarding division. So first, that is dividend. So what's mean by dividend? The number to be divided is called as dividend. The number to be divided, that is called as dividend. Then what's mean by divisor? The number which divides, that is called as divisor. And quotient, if the dividend is not divided completely, the number left over is called as remainder. Okay, and you have to write division equation like this. Here you have to write dividend, then divisor, and whatever quotient will come, you have to write here. Okay, so now we will solve some examples so you will understand. So divide 964 by 3. 964 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. So write 964 here and 3 here, and you have to divide this 964 by this 3 by this writing table. Okay. So first start from this 9. So now reset the table of 3 till 9 comes. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So in the table of 3, 9 comes at third position. So you have to write 3 here and subtract 9 from 9. Now 9 minus 9, 0. Now next step, take this 6 down and divide this 6 by this 3. 3 2s are 6. In the table of 3, 6 comes at the second position. So I have written here 2 and subtract 6 from 6, 0. Then next take this 4 down. Now this 4 is not divisible by this 3 because 4 does not come in the table of 3. Okay, so which is the smaller number than 4 that come in the table of 3? That is 3 only. 3 1s are 3. So right here 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, so now further we can't divide this 1 by this 3 because it is 1 is smaller than 3. Okay, so this 964 is not completely divided by this 3. So 1 remains and it is called as remainder. Okay. So in this example, 1 is the remainder, 321 this is the quotient. Okay. So this way you have to solve this example. Then next one, divide 47,268 by 6. So here 47,268, that is the dividend, 6 is the divisor, and we have to find out the quotient. Okay, so let's start. First digit is 4, it is smaller than 6, so take next digit with it. Okay, 47. Now you have to decide whether this 47 is divisible by 6 or not. Okay, so in the table of 6, 47 does not come, means it is not divisible by 6. So which is the smaller number than 47 that come in the table of 6? That is 42. Okay, 6. So 6 7s are 42. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Take this 2 down here. Now divide this 52 by 6. So in the table of 6, 52 does not come. So 52 is not divisible by 6. So which is the smaller number than 52 that come in the table of 6? That is 48. Okay. So you have to write 6 8s are 48. Okay. So now you have to subtract this. Okay. 48 subtract from 52. So 2 minus 8 not possible. So put this by here 4. Here 12. 12 minus 8. 4 and 4 minus 4 0. So now next digit, take them down. 46 number is formed. Now 46, you have to decide whether this 46 is divisible by 6 or not. You can observe in the table of 6, 46 does not come. Okay, so what to do? Which is the smaller number than 46 that is divisible by 6? That is 42. Okay, so 6 7s are 42. Now do the subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4, and 4 minus 4, 0. Then take this 8 down here. Now decide whether this 48 is divisible by 6 or not. Okay, so you have to recite the table of 6 till 48 comes. Okay, so in the table of 6, 48 comes at the 8th position. Okay, 6 8s are 48. Now do this subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, and here all digits finish. So our answer is ready. Here remainder 0 comes, means this number 47,268 is completely divisible by 6. Okay, so quotient is 7,878 and remainder is 0. Okay, so this way you have to solve this example. So now we will see division of 5-digit number and 6-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, so see here 44,064 divided by 8. So in this example 44,064, this is the dividend, 8 is the divisor, and we have to find out the quotient. So write this division fact in this equation. 44,064 divided by 8. Okay, so now first digit is 4, it is smaller than 8, so take next digit with it. 44 number is formed. Now search whether this 46 is divisible by 8 or not. You have to recite the table of 8. Okay, so in the table of 8, 44 does not come. Okay, now which is the smaller number than 44 that come in the table of 8, means which is the fully divisible by 8, that is 40. 8 5s are 40 and 8 6s are 48. 48 is greater than 44, so don't take that. 8 5s are 40. Now subtract this. 44 minus 40, 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Next step, take this 0 down here. Which number is formed? 40. So now 40 is completely divisible by 8. Okay, 8 5s are 40. 0 minus 0, 0, and 4 minus 4, 0. Now next step, take this 6 down. Okay, so now I am telling one important thing. So after taking next digit down, the number is formed, that is 6 only, and it is smaller than 8. Okay, so what to do in such condition? You have to put here 0 and same 0 subtract from here. 6 minus 0, 6, and then you have to take this 4 down. Okay, now 64 is formed and it is divisible by 8. 8 8s are 64. Okay, 64. 8 8s are 64. So do this subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So here 5,508. This is the quotient, and this is 0 is the remainder. So in this way you have to solve this example. Now next one. 1,64,799 divided by 9. So first digit, that is 1, it is smaller than 9. So take next digit 16. Okay, so in the table of 9, 16 does not come. Okay, so which is the smaller number than 16 that come in the table of 9? Means which is the divisible by 9? That is 9 only. 9 ones are 9. Now do this subtraction. 16 minus 9, 7. Okay, 16 minus 9, 7. So take this, go down here. 74 number is formed. Decide whether this 74 is divisible by this 9 or not. You have to recite the table. Okay, so in the table of 9, 74 does not come. So which is the smaller number than 74 that come in the table of 9? That is 72. Okay, so 9 8s are 72. Okay, so do this subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2, and 7 minus 7, 0. Then next step, take this 7 down here. So 27 come in the table of 9. 9 3s are 27. So 3 right here and subtract 27 from 27. 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0. Then take this 9 down. 9 ones are 9. So 1 right here. Subtract 9 from 9 will be 0. Then again next last digit take down. It is 9. So 9 ones are 9. Here all digits finished. So our answer is ready. 18,311. This is the question, and 0 is remainder. If 0 comes as the remainder, means that number is completely divisible by that divisor. Okay, so in this video